This is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Do you like hot chocolate? Actually, I do a lot, but I don't get it from SolarEx because they don't make hot chocolate. This is what we are making for our partner company. It's exactly like liquid chocolate, but it's not, it's a professional coating that we are making for them with their own recipe. We just do the manufacturing for them because it's one of the services that we offer here at SolarEx. I hope you enjoy this hot chocolate we make here, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.